Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will be doing this unboxing video of this Realme Narzo 90x smartphone. I will telling you the whole specification. So this is open box delivery. I have get this from the Flipkart. Here we got 7000 mAh battery, 144 Hz of refresh rate, 1200 nits of peak brightness, Sony cameras and 400 ultra volume. Let's unbox this. So first we will get make it real box and this handset. So you can see it is in blue color. It looks good. Let's see inside what is it. So here we got this cable, USB to USB type C cable. The material is good, and here it is the 80 volt of fast charging super walk adapter. So it will just charge in minutes. So this is the best we got one in this smartphone by the Realme. Let's open this one box also. So in this we will get this case also. So here it is, the SIM tool, one manual or you can say quick guide, and here it is the you can say cover, that is rubber material, and you can see the shine. Here it is matte finish, and at the back you can see there is some design over all this lines on this. So it is a good material, you can say. So friends, let's see our phone first. So friends, let's open this phone. So friends, let's talk about the specification. So first let's see the ports and button. At the top you will see one microphone is there. At this side here it is power button, on and off, volume up and down rocker button. At the bottom you will see one speaker, one type C charging port, one speaker, and here it is SIM tray. At this side there is nothing, and you can see, let's open it first, and its quality is good. The back is matte finish, bluish color, you can see. The camera setup is also good, the location wise, and this is a 6.8-inch IPS LCD display with resolution you can say HD plus, and its protection is DT star and D plus glass. So let's open it. I will first tell you about the processor friends. So let's open about phone. So in this we got this MediaTek Dimensity 6300, CPU is octa core, and you can see RAM is 6 GB and 8 GB depend on the variant, and supports up to 8 GB dynamic RAM expansion. You can see you can extend the RAM up to 8 GB, having extendable SD card up to 2 TB, so you can insert SD card as well as having cooling system, VC vapor chamber cooling system, and refresh rate is 144 Hz, smooth scroll gaming, brightness is 1200 nits peak brightness. Let's talk about the camera system. So it's having 50 megapixel of the main back camera, and front camera is 8 megapixel, and having night mode, AI eraser, you can say panorama, street mode. There are lots of modes are there in this. Let's see the resolution of it. So I have clicked on the video, so you can see the maximum resolution is 1080 pixel at 30 fps video recording, having the best battery ever, 7000 mAh battery in this smartphone, with 60 volt of super walk fast charge, 50% charge in just 31 minutes, and supports wired reverse charging and USB power delivery also. So you can see weight is around 212 grams, you can say, with IPS 65 dust and splash resistance and MIL STD military grade durability. So I have purchased it in, you can see there are lots of blue color like flash blue, nitro blue, and release maroon red. So let's see the iOS also. So you can say its iOS is 6.0 based on Android 15. So you will get all the 15 benefits in this, and biometrics is also there, side mounted fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and it comes with around 14,000 to 15,000 depending on the variant you are purchasing, 6 GB or 8 GB variant. Let's test the video quality and audio quality also. So let's play some music. You said we're going to see something. So friends, do you like the sound quality? It is in 400% volume level, you can say, and the best volume. If you want to show, so this is the best one. Let's see the video quality also as well as. So you can see you can zoom up to 8x zoom, and I will show you the quality of this also. So first let's on settings, quality advanced. Here it is 1440 pixel at 60 fps. You can watch any video, and when you just zoom it, the pixel will remain the same. You can see it will not break. The quality is very good. It looks like 3D. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and like our video. So friends, I have given the link in the description. If you want to buy it, just go and check it out there. This is the best budget phone with 7000 mAh monster battery that can last up to 3 days. If you are a normal user, and if you are a gamer, at least it will give 2 days of battery life. So this is the best one for you. So go and check it out there, and comment me for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.